described by George Grinnell. He lived with the Cheyenne during the 1870s, and George Bird Grinnell wrote about the Cheyenne lifestyles. And here what I have is I'm using a cinder block anvil. Grinnell described a wooden block anvil that the Cheyenne would use, and they would rest their forearm on the anvil, and they would hold the stone they're working in their left hand, like so, and then they would work the stone with the hammerstone. And this block anvil support creates a great deal of resistance. It's a lot easier to utilize this method maybe than trying to flake this freehand, because if you were to flake this freehand, what would happen is this stone would tend to move around more. Anyway, I'll try to get a better shot here. This is a coast-to-coast flake. There's the platform on the edge of the nodule. Okay, and there's where the flake exited on the back side of the nodule. So that's the flake. That's the core. You can see the distinctive bulb of percussion here. Hopefully, right here, quite a bulb of percussion. And this is my block anvil. This is a pad. You just put your forearm on the block anvil. Could be cinder block. Could be wood. You want to hold the stone, hopefully, with leather padding, so when the detachment comes off, you know, if this had detached like this, and I was holding that free hand, and I'm using a lot of force because this is raw stone, well, naturally, obviously, I could have cut my fingers there. So you want to hold your stone with the pad, leather, leather gloves. So anyway, there you have it. That's Grinnell's the block support hammerstone flaking, which he said can be used to create a celt.